thinking, but no, I haven't been working out. Would you like a magic trick? This is brilliant, this is. An ordinary hat. Yes, you've got a digger hat. And an engine's hat. I like to see some good rugby teams up here. Right, I place the hat upon my head. Now, this doesn't always work. It has! My head has completely disappeared. I know you think it's rubbish, you'll all be doing it later.
Da kommt mein Freund wieder.
Hi then.